All right, so on the table today we have a 112 scale 80 series Land Cruiser from JXC. So this is a nice Toyota Land Cruiser crawler climbing vehicle. Has some nice scale bits on it. Fun fact, I'm actually a big Toyota off-road type of guy. I did have a 120 series Lexus, which is known as a Prado around the rest of the world, and a third generation 4Runner. So this is right up my alley. As you can see, has a nice snorkel, some lights, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, licensed. Yep, this is licensed officially by Toyota. So yeah, pretty cool. Has some nice details I see, and I'm gonna try to do some pretty gnarly crawling with it. So we'll see how that goes. But let's get this thing unboxed so we can check it out. So this LC80 comes in yellow, gray, and blue. And I think I got the blue one. Yep, it was the blue one. Put that aside, see what else is in the box. Oh, it looks like we have our transmitter here. Nice, precision. Fly Sky transmitter, I believe. Pretty nice. I have a couple of these. They work really well. We have a channel 3 with 3 different selectors. So we have a low gear, neutral, and high gear. Open up the transmitter. We have our power button. We got the dual rates with throttle and steering, bind, and the reverse for these. Pretty basic setup. I'm sure it's going to work really well. Oh, the wheel has a nice feel to it, actually. Feels a little bit different than the other ones I had. Yeah, I like the feel of that. Yeah, really good transmitter. Here we have our accessory pack. We have a nice little Phillips screwdriver, USB charger, sticker sheet to put on the truck, and our manual. Very small manual. Not too much in it, surprisingly. All right, I thought long and hard about this, and I decided I'm going to keep the decals off this thing because it looks way too nice. When it comes to trucks like this, I'm definitely more of a clean look type of guy, and I think this thing looks stunning the way it is. Sometimes a cleaner look is the way to go, I think, and yeah, this thing looks really sharp as it is. Also, I don't know if you guys can see the metallic paint job, but yeah, there is no way I'm covering that up. Way too nice. All right, a few things to note here. The tires are not too grippy. They are soft, and I think they have a foam in them, but they're not too grippy. This is more of like a mild climbing trail truck type of thing, so don't expect too much performance out of these, but we'll see how they do. Flipping the truck over, we can see our front and rear axles, differentials. Battery goes here. You have to unscrew the cover with the provided screwdriver, and there's the battery. No specs on it, but I'll list it down below. You have your servo right there, and then your shocks, front and rear. It has some movement in the shocks, not too much. It is a little top heavy, it seems, but yeah, like I said, this is a mild trail truck / crawler, so we'll see how it does. I do have to say though, check this thing out next to the MN82. What a huge difference. They're both 12 scale, as they say, but man, that LC80 is huge. Definitely one of those times where the brand's photos do not accurately display the item, because this thing in real life looks way better. Like, way better. You can see we have turn signals, of course. We got those nice headlights. Then we have those roof lights. Those are pretty nice. Then some taillights. So let's see if they work. Nope, the taillights don't work, but that's all right. This is an awesome looking truck. Let's get it outdoors. Yeah. I gotta say, this thing's pretty quick on the high speed. So it does make for a good trail truck, because wow, I can't keep up with it. Oh, well, wake it up, buddy. Let's send it. Nice. Yeah. Oh. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, we got it. All right, back to more serious crawling. Yeah, all right. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't want to go off there. Nice. Doesn't make for a bad trail truck, I must say. Woo! Looks kind of silly with the surfboard, but that's all right. Not bad. Yeah, do not do this. All right. Put it in another gear and take off. Oh.